To monitor AWS Amplify sign-in, you need to understand the basics of AWS Amplify and its authentication process. AWS Amplify is a development platform that helps you build, deploy, and manage scalable mobile and web applications. It provides a suite of tools and services that simplify the development process, including authentication and authorization. First, you need to set up AWS Amplify in your project. This involves installing the AWS Amplify CLI and configuring it to work with your AWS account. Once you have set up AWS Amplify, you can configure authentication using AWS Amplify Auth, which provides a simple and secure way to manage user authentication in your application. To monitor AWS Amplify sign-in, you need to use Amazon Cognito, which is a user identity and access management service provided by AWS. Amazon Cognito provides a scalable and secure user directory that can be used to manage user authentication and authorization. You can use Amazon Cognito to track user sign-in activity, including successful and failed sign-in attempts. To track sign-in activity, you need to configure Amazon Cognito to send sign-in events to Amazon CloudWatch, which is a monitoring and observability service provided by AWS. CloudWatch provides a comprehensive view of your AWS resources and applications, including sign-in activity. You can use CloudWatch to track sign-in events, including the number of successful and failed sign-in attempts, and the IP addresses and devices used to sign in. To configure Amazon Cognito to send sign-in events to CloudWatch, you need to create an Amazon Cognito user pool and configure it to send sign-in events to CloudWatch. You can do this by navigating to the Amazon Cognito console, selecting your user pool, and clicking on the Triggers tab. From there, you can configure Amazon Cognito to send sign-in events to CloudWatch. Once you have configured Amazon Cognito to send sign-in events to CloudWatch, you can view sign-in activity in the CloudWatch console. You can navigate to the CloudWatch console, select the Logs tab, and select the log group for your Amazon Cognito user pool. From there, you can view sign-in events, including successful and failed sign-in attempts, and the IP addresses and devices used to sign in. Best practices for monitoring AWS Amplify sign-in include regularly reviewing sign-in activity to detect and respond to security threats, configuring Amazon Cognito to send sign-in events to CloudWatch, and using CloudWatch to track sign-in events and detect anomalies. By following these best practices, you can ensure the security and integrity of your AWS Amplify application and protect your users from security threats.